And Roland joins us now with a look at our forecast. And again, we're not just watching the Boise River anymore. I mean, we've got to watch all the other rivers in our area, the Weezer, the Payette.
The Payette, the Malheur River. Any streams or creeks have the potential to start rising quickly, because now with the temperatures getting warmer and with the snow that's going to be in the mountain changing over to rain showers, what we're going to be seeing is a lot of that mountain snowpack that's going to want to start coming downstream. Take a look, folks. This looks like yesterday's snow stick up at Bogus Basinville. Once again today, they received an additional 7 to nearly 8 inches of snow in the last 24 hours. And in fact, here's what some of the ski resorts have had in the last 2 days. Bogus Basin, 15 inches in 2 days. We should be starting to shed some of the snow. Instead, we keep accumulating snow in the higher elevations, which, I mean, it's good, but the snowpack is so high, it causes concerns for the spring runoff. 15 inches at Tamarack. Look at Brundage. Now, this is in the last 72 hours. They've had 26 inches of new snow in the last 3 days. Sun Valley has had 3, Palmerell has had 7, and Jackson Hole in the last 2 days has picked up an additional 11 inches of snow. On the weather headlines, occasional showers are expected on again, off again through Friday. Temperatures are going to continue to get warmer. Watch for those rivers. They're going to be rising, for streams and creeks. We mentioned it before. And then it is going to be turning drier this weekend. Now the models are trending that we're not going to have that atmospheric river affecting us on Saturday and Sunday. Instead, it's going to be a nice little area of high pressure, which is going to allow our temperatures to start doing this. They're going to start warming up. The average high for this time of the year is 52 degrees. Today, 43 degrees. Tomorrow, we jump above the average to 55. On Thursday, we go up to 58. Friday, we hold on to 58 degrees. The potential for showers will continue through Friday, and then on Saturdays we start drying up. The temperature readings could approach 60 degrees, and I've got temperatures in the 60s in the forecast for Sunday as well. So here's the Doppler radar, and you can see, look at that line of shower activity. This is just a moist flow. It's just a surge of moisture that's coming in on this westerly flow. It's heavier right now south of Interstate 84. It is now starting to break up and become lighter north of Interstate 84 here in the Treasure Valley, but the lower Treasure Valley is still seeing some pretty good light to moderate pockets of rain. So on the satellite imagery, there's the moisture. It's still streaming in from the Pacific Ocean. What's the driving force right now is this low that's anchored up here in the Gulf of Alaska. It's just sitting there spinning around in a counterclockwise direction. And then on top of that, we have this flow coming in out of the southwest. So in essence, what it's doing is it's wanting to funnel all of this moisture, all these clouds that we see out here in the Pacific Ocean right across the northwestern part of the country into the Gem State. This is what I refer to as the atmospheric river, and that's going to be in place through Friday. It's not going to be a solid rainstorm. It'll be the occasional showers, and along with that, the temperatures are going to get warmer because the origin of this moisture, again, is subtropical. It's mild air. It wants to drive the temperatures up, even though it will generate the occasional showers. So the forecast, futurecast tomorrow morning, a scattering of valley rain with some mountain snow. Then it looks like it wants to let up a little bit tomorrow afternoon, but then watch what happens here on Thursday. Additional showers moving in. We'll see fewer mountain snow showers and more mountain rain showers, which will start triggering the melting process, and it could get a little bit on the dicey side here by the end of the week. So Thursday and Friday, we'll see the occasional or periods of rain. Saturday and Sunday, partly cloudy skies, highs approaching 60 degrees. It's going to feel a little bit like spring fever out there this weekend. Please be careful as you go to those parks and watch out for those rivers because they will rise quickly, as well as the streams and creeks. The mountains will see the snow changing over to rain Thursday and Friday. Nice weekend, but it could all start up again next week.
All right, we'll keep an eye on things. Thank you.